All right, so have you ever thought about starting a business? One of those things you're like, man, I've got this great idea, but then you realize, whoa, starting a business, that takes a lot of money right
Oh,
now.
yeah.
But what if I told you there's a way to launch a business with absolutely no money upfront?
Really?
Today, we're diving deep, no pun intended, into how to start a Christian-themed t-shirt business using something called print on demand. And it's not just about throwing a random Bible verse on a shirt.
No.
This is about tapping into a passionate community, people who want to express their faith in a unique way, and how you can be a part of that.
Absolutely. And this is where the print-on-demand model comes in. This is really exciting because it allows anyone with a creative spark and a passion for their faith to become entrepreneurs.
So print on demand sounds pretty straightforward, but break it down for us. What does that actually mean?
Okay, so imagine you've got this amazing t-shirt design. Maybe it's a verse that really inspires you or a symbol that represents your faith. But with print on demand, you don't have to worry about buying hundreds of shirts up front, storing them, all that stuff. You actually just upload your design to a platform. Let's look at one called Printify.
Printify, okay.
And then when someone, anyone from anywhere in the world, sees your design in your online store and says, I love that shirt, I'm buying it.
That's when the magic happens.
That's when Printify takes over. They print the shirt, they package it, they ship it directly to the customer.
So it's like those websites where you can get personalized mugs or phone cases, but for faith-based designs. You don't pay anything until someone actually buys the product.
You got it. No upfront costs for inventory. You're not stuck with boxes of t-shirts in your garage. And the best part is Printify doesn't just do t-shirts.
Agreed, really?
They've got a huge catalog, I mean huge, of stuff you can customize.
Yeah.
Hoodies, tote bags, phone cases, even mugs. You can put your faith-inspired designs on practically anything.
So suddenly, it's not just a t-shirt business. It's like a whole Christian-themed merchandise empire.
Yeah.
But hold on, I'm not a graphic designer.
Right.
How am I supposed to make these incredible designs?
That's the cool thing. You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard or anything. There are tons of free tools out there, super easy to use, that can help you create amazing designs. One that comes to mind is Canva.
Canva, yeah, I've heard of that.
It's so user-friendly. Drag, drop, you can add text, images, even use their templates if you're feeling a little stuck. And the best part, it's free.
Okay, so I can design my shirt on Canva, then I put it up on Printify. It seems pretty simple, but I also want to make sure my designs look professional. I don't want them looking like, some amateur slapped them together.
I hear ya, and that is where the magic of mock-ups come in.
Mock-ups.
A mock-up is basically a picture. Imagine a really good-looking picture of your t-shirt design, but it's on an actual person. It just gives your customers a better idea of what they're buying.
So it's like instead of just seeing a flat image of the design, you see it on a model,
Yeah.
making it look more real.
Exactly. And good news, you don't even need to hire a photographer or a model. There are websites like Placeit where you can get free mock-up templates. You just drop your design in and boom, it looks like a professional photo shoot.
Now this is all starting to come together. So I've got my Canva designs, I've mocked them up on Placeit, I've uploaded everything to Printify. Now the big question, how do I actually get these amazing products in front of people who want to buy them?
You're ready to sell.
I'm ready.
You've got to think about your audience. You're selling to people who connect with Christian themes, who are looking for unique ways to express their faith. There's a real sense of community there. So you need a platform that caters to that. One that comes to mind is Etsy.
That's it, yeah.
Etsy's perfect because it's full of people who are looking for handmade, one-of-a-kind items. They're not just looking for the cheapest thing they can find. They're looking for something special, something with meaning.
Okay, so it's not just about having a cool design or a catchy slogan. It's about understanding who you're selling to, what resonates with them.
Right. It's about tapping into those deeper values, those things that really matter to people of faith. Maybe your designs focus on specific verses that offer comfort or inspiration. Or maybe they feature subtle, everyday symbols of faith. Think about what makes your designs unique, what message you want to share with the world.
It's like you could have two t-shirts with the exact same verse on them, but it's how you present it, the style, the feel, that makes all the difference.
Absolutely. And that's what will make your brand stand out.
It's really amazing how these platforms, Canva, Printify, Etsy, they've made it possible for anyone, anywhere, to start a business like this. You don't need a ton of money, just some creativity, a little bit of tech know-how, and most importantly, a passion for sharing your faith with the world.
I couldn't agree more. And it gets me thinking, what kind of message do you want to put out there? What's your unique contribution going to be to this community? What kind of impact do you want to make?
There you have it. $0 to launch your business, a whole world of creative possibilities, and a community of people waiting to connect with your message.
I
Right?
know.
Go make something